to take this panel, but just a normal white panel, so not going to get these off without damaging them. Taking this off, that's getting refitted in. New bath, pop up waste, and we're going to reseal it all. Cut all this sealant out, carefully. Hoping for a good time. All the way around the back. I've got the shower screen out now. I'm going to try and get the bath panel out now. But what they've done is they've tiled it right up above the bath panel there, below it, and at the side of it, so there's no way to get that off without smashing it off. So we're just going to smash all that off, take it off, and we're just going to replace it with a white bath panel. There we go. Oh, coming off nicely. Right, we've got the tile with the bath panel. And I've put a bath hatch in there, but it would have been impossible to get it off with the tiles on, so I'm going to take the rest of it off now, and I'm going to get the bath out. Right guys, I've got all the bath panel out now. Next job we're going to do, we're going to take all this frame out, we're going to disconnect the waste pipe and take the legs out of the bath. I'm going to try and drop it down at this end and lift it up at that end and get it out without causing any damage to the existing tiles, because we haven't got any of them tiles, so if we do break any, we're in trouble. I've got all the bath panel off now, frames off, disconnected the waste. Only thing we've got to do now, we're going to take the legs off as well, to give us a bit more room to get it out. So we want to be really careful with all these tiles, we don't want to break them. Isn't that right, Abby? See, heard it there from the boss. I'm going to try and gentle with it up, if you feel it breaking a tile into. That's it. I'll take this out into the hole. There you go, I've got it all out now. We haven't caused any damage to the tiles. We're good all the way around. Next job, we're going to clean up underneath the bath, clean all the sealant off, get it ready for the new one to go in. We're going to glue all the way around here now. So we're going to make sure the bath's glued to the wall. We're going to use a good quality adhesive. Hey mate. What? We're going to use a good quality adhesive, don't we? Yeah. Right, we're going to slot it into that and then drop it down, yeah. So, and that seals your well. Yeah. That's that. Can you hold it? Get the mops. Ah, they're fucking. Got all the bath in now, it's absolutely solid, it's not moving at all. got it glued in. We've got 6 battens supporting it all the way around there. And all we're doing now is we're building a frame for the bath. Right guys, next job we're doing now is we're doing the bath waste now, so I always put a bit of sealant on it. You don't have to do this, but just guarantees it's not going to leak. Put your seal on. Then put a bit more on the top before I put it on the bath. Don't need loads, just a little bit like that. Leave the camera down in a minute, so it's going to be a bit silly. This one's going on the top, which we're not going to put any sealant on that. We're going to put it on underneath. Tighten that up, and then you might get 2 screwdrivers.
See what? That's strange.
Get that on. Quite a good cameraman, mate.
Well, checkers, mate.
And then we've got the pop-up waste there. That just clips in that. That's it. Right, we're just finishing off this bath now. We've just got to re-plumb a waste pipe, 40mm waste pipe into here because we're a little bit higher up with our new waste. So that's the next job we're going to do. Right, now we've got all the bath plumbed in. We filled it right up to the top. Always fill it up to the top, right to the top, because it doesn't always leak when you just run water through it, and you want to let all the water run out and check. There's no drips at all. Nothing at all coming out of that, so we're all good. So next job, we're going to put the bath panel on. Right, you need to hold it in place now and not too tight up. Go back out, that's the front room. Ali. Look at that. Beautiful. Fits in perfect, that. Absolutely solid. That's nice.
Have you done?
Right, we're just finishing off now. Last job we've got to do, now we've got the bath panel on, is silicone around the bath. I'm just going to do that on the floor there as well. And that's it done then. Always use a good quality sealant around the bath. If you want it to last, you don't want it to go black and mouldy, so make sure you get a good quality anti-mould one. Cut the top off. Try and cut your nozzle to the size that you want to do your bead at. Make sure it's nice and neat. Put your nozzle on. And into your gun. Now the neater you get this bit on, the easier it's going to be. Sure. Yeah, I'm using these silicone tools, but you can do it in different ways. Just want to pull it along. Keep wiping it. Once it starts going on the wall, you want to wipe off all the excess. And then scrape off the wall straight away if you've got any on it. Otherwise it'll dry up. It does take a little bit longer to do it with these tools, but you get a nice clean finish, especially when you've got a darker tile you're doing it against. Alright guys, this job's all finished now. We've got all the bath complete now. Looks really good. Bath panel fit in perfect, solid wood. Silicone, nice and neat all the way around. And leave this water in for at least 4 to 6 hours till the bath sets. Silicone's all set. Soft screen's back in. It's all back to how it was now, except when we haven't got a tiled bath panel, we've got the wooden bath panel. That's the job all complete. Right. Guys, if you're not already, do us a favour, subscribe to our channel, leave a comment, tell us what you think of the job, and keep watching. We're going to bring out more content, maybe one every week for YouTube. If you're not already, go on to TikTok and follow us on there, CCN Manchester.